Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. I'm making big fluffy pancakes. Now I already have this recipe on my channel, but I made it a long time ago and the video is not the best quality. And even though it's not the best quality, the recipe is very good and that video has a lot of views. So it needed an update. Let me show you how I made it. So right here I have a bowl and I'm adding 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And this is 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. And this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now this recipe also has 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And I keep it in this little airtight jar. Now, a lot of you probably keep it in that little original box, but I just mark it when it expires and I keep it in the pantry. I like it better that way. Now I'm adding an egg and 1/2 cup of milk, and it happens to be almond milk. You can use either one. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Now I'm going to give everything a good stir. So don't overstir it. Just stir it until you don't see the egg anymore. And this is ready. Now here's my griddle. It's nice and hot. I'm going to add vegetable oil and I'm just going to grease it so that nothing sticks. I like to make sure that my griddle is hot enough by making a baby test pancake. Now I'm going to add some batter to my hot griddle. I'm going to kind of flatten it out, make it as round as I can. So as I said, this made 3, but you can get 4 out of this recipe. So you keep an eye on it. You cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes until you start seeing these little bubbles popping. When they start to pop, it's ready to flip. In this video, you can literally see them expand. I like to keep my flame medium or slightly over. You want the pan to be a little bit on the hot side. But these pancakes come out great. So one of my pancakes was really big. And then of course, you put some butter on top and your favorite syrup. Now, if you're like me, you have these local eateries that serve great breakfasts and have delicious pancakes. These pancakes come out every bit as good as any of your favorite breakfast joints. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please press the like button so that we can see each other next time. So these are big, fluffy pancakes. Thanks for watching.